Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add icons and emojis on text channels or on the channel names in Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to your desired channel. So let's say I want to add some emojis here. So as you can see, my other channels already have emojis. So like this, there's a camera emoji, and if you want to add some emojis, just click on this settings logo here at edit channel. Once you're here, so this is for Windows users, just need to click on your Windows key. Then after that, click on your period or you could say dot key. So click them together, your period key. So as you can see, this will pop up. So these are emojis. Also, you can also add some GIFs. So, but emojis can only work for this. So let's try adding, put the thumbs up emoji. You could also add it to the other side, just like so. Just click on the hotkey again, just Windows key plus period key. So as you can see, after that, click on Save Changes, just escape here, and there you go, guys. There is now the emoji here on the text channel. And that's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.